This is the Xtreme mat. I have one in every single bathroom and kitchen underneath every single one of my sinks, and so should you. This thing is designed to put underneath your sink, like so. It pairs very nicely with a water alarm, by the way, as you can see. And it's designed to catch any small drips or leaks inside the mat so it doesn't seep into your cabinetry where mold can start to grow in or behind the vanity. This is a non-porous, durable material. It will hold the water, not absorb it, which means mold will not grow into this. Now, it's obviously really simple to install, but it also comes with instructions with 8 simple steps and recommendations to get the most out of this Xtreme mat. One of the things that you want to be careful of is you don't want to place it over wet, rotted, or moldy wood. So it's really important that you buy this for your new vanity and ensure that the vanity is clean before you install it. Here's the thing, leaks and drips, they happen. That's why it's really smart to protect your investments in your vanities and your cabinetry so that they don't get ruined when those things do occur. Go on over to homecleanse.com right now and click shop in the upper right hand corner, and you'll be able to buy one of these things and have it in your home today.